got damaged plastic? Repair it with the 6180 Mini Fuzor Hot Air Plastic Welding System. The 6180 Mini Fuzor features two welders, a hot air welder and an airless plastic welder. Make strong and fast repairs with the hot air welder. The hot air welder gives you the ability to weld with Polyvance's flat ribbon rods, which provide more strength because they offer more contact area between the rod and the substrate. With the airless plastic welder, you can repair thermoset polyurethane, a popular plastic used on bumper covers from the 70s through the 90s, and which is still used today. It can also be used to melt in stainless steel wire mesh to reinforce meltable thermoplastics. The Mini Fuzor comes with a large selection of the most popular plastic welding rods, so you can get started welding right away. The kit includes polyurethane, polypropylene, ABS, low-density polyethylene, nylon, polycarbonate, and high-density polyethylene rods. Polyvance also offers over a dozen different types of specialty welding rods that can be used with the Mini Fuzor. With the Mini Fuzor, you can repair virtually any kind of damaged plastic. The compact and lightweight Mini Fuzor is packed with features that make it easy to use. Each tool has its own holster on the side of the main unit for easy storage and access. You can turn on each tool independently using the power switches on the front face. The hot air welder heats up instantly when it's picked up from the holster and is ready to weld in about 10 seconds. The temperature and airflow are easy to adjust to suit different types and thicknesses of plastic. The welder features temperature feedback control, which means that the temperature will automatically adjust to the temperature set point, regardless of the airflow setting. When you return the hot air welder to the holster, it automatically goes into cool down mode for safety. The welder features 3 memory buttons that allow you to store your most used temperature and flow settings. The display can be easily switched between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. No air compressor is required because the Mini Fuzor features its own onboard air pump. Just plug it in and you're ready to weld. The 6-foot-long hose and cord give you full access to repair large plastic parts without having to move the welder. The Mini Fuzor is ideal for quick and strong repairs to virtually any thermoplastic, like on agricultural plastics such as chemical storage tanks, tractor hoods, produce totes, and so on. Recreational equipment and vehicles can also be repaired, like kayaks and canoes, ATVs, personal watercraft, and motorcycles. And of course, auto parts such as bumper covers, headlight tabs, underhood and interior plastics, inner fender liners, windshield washer reservoirs, and so on. The Mini Fuzor is also suitable for doing light-duty industrial plastic repairs. In short, the Mini Fuzor is ideal for virtually any plastic repair situation. The 6180 Mini Fuzor has been tested and approved to UL standards by Met Labs, a nationally recognized test lab, and is CE marked for sale in Europe. It features a 1-year warranty and is fully backed and supported by the plastic repair experts at Polyvance, who have been focused exclusively on plastic repair for over 40 years. Polyvance has a wealth of free plastic repair training resources on the Polyvance smartphone app, Polyvance's YouTube channel, Polyvance University, and on the Polyvance website. Polyvance's plastic repair experts are also available for technical support Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. Central Time. The Mini Fuzor is Polyvance's most accessible way to take advantage of the speed and strength of hot air fusion welding, available from Polyvance and authorized distributors around the world.